dream. We are together. You could call it a vision or a tether. All at once I can see it. We're back together. You could call it a vision. You could call it a vision. You could call it a vision.
Going through the motions, I'm dreaming of the ocean as I swim above a riverbed. Life is so fraudulent. Towel off my guilt as I shuffle through the silt. Draw a line in the sand, wonder where I should stand. I don't wanna be the one who's loose with all the bad news. It's not mine to tell. I'm not a vessel, I'm a shell, full of dark matter with just a smattering of a warm glow. It's the only thing I'll let show. Do I sit by myself, ask the quiet for help? Do I lie on a couch, let someone figure me out? Going through the motions, I'm playing with devotion, but it just doesn't sit right. Belief is just a closed mind. Should I sit by myself, ask the quiet for help? Do I lie on a couch, let someone figure me out? 'Cause I'm getting tired of this feeling. Now this is it, life's not infinite. It's the only chance we get. So why are we waiting? Why are we waiting? Will it click? Looking for the next new fix. Is this the new kind of sick? Why are we waiting? Why are we waiting? They say they have the answers, but no one's getting better. They say they have the answers. It's always pay to enter. And isn't life funny? Make some money, spend it all to feel less crummy, and think that we've made it. Think that we've made it. Well, what else? Sit by ourselves, think about the hands we're dealt and all our guilt. Think that we've made it. Think that we've made it. They say they have the answers, but no one's getting better. They say they have the answers. It's always pay to enter and enter. How much more do I have to give? And how much more do I have to give? And how much more do I have to give? And how much more do I have to give? This is it. Life's not infinite. It's the only chance we get. Why are we waiting? Why are we